ask me? Up and down, 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 up and down around the town. Why ask me? Hey, what's going on, everybody? Callie Storm Doll here, and we're back with the Barbie Looks campaign. We have Barbie Looks number 10. This is the Simone face sculpt. This is a new sculpt presented by Mattel. I'm very excited to have this doll. A lot of people in the community are excited for her new face sculpt, and not only the face sculpt, but the skin tone as well. Simone is bringing something new to the party. Let's look at the back of the packaging. So as you can see, these are the other dolls that you can get in this wave. Here is the read up at the bottom. You're perfectly welcome to freeze frame that and read that if you would like. But I'm ready to get Miss Simone out of the packaging. We're coming right back. Hey, so we are back and we're jumping into the review of Barbie Looks number 10. Miss Simone. Hey, so we have a Barbie Looks purchase authenticity. This is the certificate that you get once you purchase the doll. I believe all the Looks doll come with this little authenticity slip. Yes, so we are back. I did not know Miss Simone was a tall star. So if you guys didn't know, Simone is actually on the tall body sculpt. I did not know that. So you can see the Raquel doll is on the average Barbie body, and you can see that the blonde Barbie Looks and Simone actually feature the same height. So I found that interesting because I didn't necessarily know she was on a tall body sculpt, but this is fun. Let's jump into her review. Your doll will feature a stand as well, and just like I mentioned earlier, she is on the taller body sculpt. Now let's just look her over. Let's just look over her theme, her aesthetic. Now she is following the previous wave with the silver and black. Some people have said this is a continuation. Some people have said this is a new wave. It's up. If you know what it is, please leave me a comment in the comment box below. Is she wave 3 or is she wave 2.5? Let it be known. So Simone does feature long black hair. Remember, this is straight out of the packaging. She features long black hair. She has on a silver top, black skirt, and she does feature silver pumps. Now the pumps are exact replicas. Get a better look at that. So I think this may be our first repeat item. Is it? Comment below. Did I just crack a code? Is that the first reboot item we've seen so far in this line? Mattel has been doing pretty good giving us original sculpts. Of course, the made to move body, we'll go over that as well for anyone who's new to the brand. But I believe this may be the first reboot item. Let me know. Drop it in the comment section below. Now, aside from her skin tone, we have a brand new sculpt. Now let's look this up. I don't mean a tone we've never seen before, but in a made to move body, yes. As you can see, look at this, yes. Simone is not here to play with the competition. She actually has pink and purple eyeshadow. She's featuring a deep brown eye. She has thick eyebrows, and look at that lip. Yes, Simone, you are invited to every party, honey. I'm loving this face sculpt. She doesn't come with any earrings or anything, so for all those artists, you can maybe give her some ear piercing so she can have some of those. She doesn't have any painted nails, but I'm just loving the complexion that we've been giving here. She's definitely worth it. Now, for anyone who wants a comparison on her skin tone, before we go into her functions, as in how she moves, I'm going to do a skin comparison. We're going to break this skin tone down. Let's look over her outfit. These boots are a silver tone, so when you get those, you'll see those. Comes with a black skirt, and it is a skirt we've seen before, but maybe not in this color. Now the silver top, I'll lift up her hair so you guys can see all the way around. The silver top does feature Velcro on the back, and so does the skirt. So if you're a big fan of this top, you can actually remove both of those, and then you can swap out a different outfit. Now, actually, I'm going to do that in this review. I'm not a huge fan of her look. So before we go into her skin comparator and her movements, let's go into a different outfit, okay? Hey Storm Dolls, so you know we're a community over here, so don't mind the doll nudity, but I just wanted to offer some advice. So some of the Looks doll, like this Simone doll, does have the stickiness on it, which Mattel puts on so that their clothes stay in place in packaging. If you guys have any Palm Olive or Dawn dish soap and you rub it on their dish soap and water, it washes right off. So I'll do that and I'll show you guys that it comes right off. This is just a quick tutorial. Anything that says cuts through grease, it can remove the double-sided sticky tape that Mattel does put on the dolls. And I'll show you guys. We'll be right back. Hey everybody, so this part of the video is definitely going to be our skin comparator, and I'm not saying that I have all the deeper complexions that Mattel has released, but I have a lot of the more recent ones. So this is our homegirl Simone, and this is the new look I put her in. We're going to look that over in a few. But as you can see, Simone does feature like a really deep complector, and I just wanted to pull out some of my dolls to see. Yes, so this is the one a lot of people have been raving about, saying that Simone was technically created to give this Barbie fashionista a made to move body. But there you guys go if you wanted to see their complectors together. And as you can see, some of other Mattel releases feature more of a brown tone. I want everyone to see this. We'll go down the row again for anyone who has any of these dolls in their collection, so you can kind of see what the skin tone is given. And most of these other girls have more of a brown hue, and these girls have more of the dark, like a lighter brown hue. These two have the darker brown hue. So for anyone who's interested, she will be the perfect swappable body. Let's get into her articulation, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. Hey everybody, we are back and we are here with Miss Simone in a whole new outfit. You can see I sent her through a color campaign. Yes, I figured this dress went perfect with her skin tone, and not only that, yes, I thought it was the perfect opportunity to highlight that makeup, and this dress really brings out the color in her. Like, I really love it. It's so good. Now, for those of you who are new to the Barbie Looks campaign, they are full of articulation. They have the made to move bodies, which means they have head articulation, shoulders, they have the bicep swivel, they have the double bend in the elbow so she could bend all the way up. They have wrist articulation. They also have an abdomen crunch, hip articulation. They have a thigh swivel, meaning you can turn their legs in and out. They have the double bend at the knee, and I believe they also have the ankle articulation. So she's full of articulation. And keep in mind, this doll goes for $19.99. That's a $20 doll. I have no complaints with Miss Simone. I'm happy that she's been invited to my party, and I'm never letting her go. I love her. I have no complaints. No complaints. I love what Mattel is doing with all the different skin tones and the look campaigns, and I'm happy, guys. I don't know what you guys think of her, but at the end of the day, she's an awesome doll and a great find. If you're new to my channel, you can help me out by liking the video, share, and subscribing. It's a cool way to keep my algorithm high and invite more people to the Cali Storm doll party. What do you guys think about these Barbie looks, going all the way back to the first series where we got some of these guys, and up to now? What do you think about them? Do you like the direction Mattel is going in, or do you think they need to change lanes a bit? Now the fashions, yes, they can maybe give us some sculpts like Barbie Looks fashion bags. I think that would be so cute if they did something like that. And it can be basic fashions, like it could be all black dresses or all white tops or stuff, because sometimes we do need basic color fashions from Mattel, so that could be something good. But overall, no complaints from me. Let me know what you guys thought about Miss Simone in that comment section below. Check me out on Instagram. I made a few reels with Simone featuring some other dolls, so check that out, and I'll see you guys on my next one.
Me. Why ask me? Why ask me up and down, up and down? Ooh, why ask me? Ooh, why ask me? Ooh, why ask me up and down around the town? Swerve, you're in a new car. Swerve, make sure you don't swerve. You're in a new car. Swerve, back and forth, up and down now. Swerve. She riding around now, swerve, up and down now, swerve. She bouncing around now, swerve. Ooh. 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 Swerve up and down, all around the town. Swerve. You think you're gonna hit these curves? Watch the road, boy, swerve. You think you're gonna hit these curves? Look around and swerve on them, swerve. Watch out for the swerve. Look out for the swerve. Look out for it, swerve. You think you ooh, you think you hitting it, but ooh, you think you getting it, but you ain't hitting it all the time. You look around, boy, don't forget to swerve. Swerve, swerve, all up and down and around, all around the town. Swerve isn't, swerve isn't, swerve.